Usually countries have one head of state, president, or monarch. Presidents usually get elected and monarchs usually inherit the job. Now let's talk about semi-elective monarchy in Europe with two heads of state, a diarchy. So the full name of the country is the Principality of Andorra. Andorra is a parliamentary co-principality with the President of France, Emanuel Macron, and the Catholic Bishop of Urgell as co-princes. And this makes the President of France, Emanuel Macron, in his capacity as Prince of Andorra, an elected monarch, although he is not elected by a popular vote of the Andorran people. The Principality of Andorra, long ruled jointly by King of France and the bishops of Urgell in Spain, has a history stretching back to the 9th century. Tradition says that their first charter was granted to them by the Emperor Charlemagne, with the land being ruled by the Count of Urgell. Centuries later, the descendants of Count gave the lands to the Catholic Diocese of Urgell, but the bishops had to make the alliance with more powerful feudal lords to defend Andorra. First Corbet, then the House of Foch, until the system was formally established for a co-principality held jointly by the Bishop of Urgell and the Count of Foch. The Foch claim passed to the Viscount of Béarn and then to French royal house of Bourbon under the King Henry IV. Since 1607, the King of France and later the presidents of the French Republic and the bishops of Urgell have been co-princes of Andorra. It was not until 1993 that Andorra adopted its first written constitution in order to join the European Union. The government is a parliamentary democracy, the Prime Minister is head of the government, and the position of co-princes of Andorra are effectively honorary ones with executive power resting with the Prime Minister. Co-princes are not living in this country, and their ceremonial duties are carried out by local representatives. So there you have it, Andorra, country where the French president is monarch. And here you can learn about languages spoken in Byzantine Empire under Justinian I.